Hey guys, welcome to ECMN 215's introduction video. A couple things I want to cover here to get you familiar with the class are definitely going to the course information area. Similar to the lab class, okay, you can find the course objective, the course syllabus, the lab report guide, my contact information or your instructor's contact information, comprehensive schedule of all of the labs, the start dates for those modules, so that will be the lab we're working on for that week. Notice how some labs do have, some weeks do have 2 labs. Okay, so in order to get everyone to cover the content that we need, since we are going with a split section again this semester with groups A and B, there will be certain days that you're expected to come in and be able to complete 2 labs. Some of the labs, like in Module 2, Lab 3 is actually expected for you guys to complete at home, whereas 11 and 12, 13, 14, you guys will be able to finish both of those labs in one lab class. I have fitted the course with some supplementary videos to help you get through that. Okay, so big thing here, we are going with 2 separate groups. So if you go into course information for week 2, I expect to see the following people in group A meeting for the first time of the week. So in other words, if you have lab on Monday and Wednesday, group A should be there on Monday. Group B should be there on Wednesday. So if you have any questions on that, please email me. Attendance is crucial. You guys cannot afford to miss lab classes. Okay, next thing that you should do is go into your weekly modules. I put the lab report guide up right here. And then also in Module 1, there's a few videos to supplement for being out this week, being totally virtual. So you're expected to review all of those videos and then go to the website, review some of that information, and then complete this lab for this week. So you guys do have an assignment due this week. Okay, please make sure that you are jumping on top of that so you don't fall behind. Likewise, all of the weekly modules are outfitted with some videos where applicable. So here, for example, we have the on-off level control logic building video. So please make sure you're watching these videos prior to coming into lab. Okay, it will be crucial for you guys to completing the labs. Basically, what was done was some of the labs were condensed into one lab sheet. So instead of doing 2 separate labs, we basically condensed that information into one lab sheet for you guys to complete. All right, so again, the contact instructor, textbook, and things like that are on the left-hand side here. Please make sure to review this video and begin working on the course as soon as possible. Welcome to ECMN 216.